Hello, good morning to everyone. I am Marius Chachuan, a member of Copacom Corp CA. We are delighted to have all of you guys today on this new video, and today we are going to speak on another topic more interesting or better than those that we are always presenting. The one that we are to present today is entitled Organization and Planification, the impact on the success of entrepreneurship initiative. That will be presented just after the generic.
King Soldier.
As we said earlier, today we are speaking on planification and organization as a key factor of success. You have to understand the fact that organization and planification is very important for the success of a project like this one. And we have to ask a question: are those guys really planned? Were they organized for the success of this very project? We can say yes, because remember, we told you about the General Assembly that took place in Ebolova, and later on there was another assembly that took place in Yaoundé. And those guys were really organized. They planned for the success of their project. They were working days and nights. And remember, they were accountants in some organization around, in the bakery and in microfinance firms. And they were coupling both. They had to show how to leave their job, find time to come and gather and speak about their project. And this was done conveniently. But we have to find out, were this action enough for the success of their project? This question will be answered in this video. You should understand that organization and planification seem to be easy, but it is not easy as people can see. What is organization? What is planification? You have to understand that this is simply to map out the way to follow in the short and long run, and to put in place a team members and share tasks among them, and make sure that everybody is really doing what it is meant to be done. You have to understand that planification and organization have to be done in two dimensions: in the strategic form and in the tactical form. The strategic form of planification is to plan on the long run, while the tactical one is done on the short run. But was they really implemented in this project of Copacom Corp CA? This is the question. They were trying their best for that to be done. As I told you, at times you can just see, when you see a goat chewing corn, you always think that it is just easier to be done. And it is only when you embark on it that you realize that it is not an easy matter. We are highly delighted for presenting this video today, and we hope that you have really enjoyed. In a subsequent video, we are to speak about how to legalize an initiative like this one. How to make things formal is a factor of growth and success of a project. If you have really liked this video, you simply have to subscribe and don't forget also to click on like. See you to the next video.